Hello, how are you doing? I hope you're great. And today I will show you one tutorial and that you can help you maybe if you can have some that problem like me and if you see my widgets don't want to open. In the settings everything is on but it's not open. And the best way how you can and it's easy 100% it's go to your web browser. It doesn't matter what browser is. I was finding, my God, and I'm going to go into Google, and on my Google, you'll see now. You go to Microsoft Edge Web View 2, and you can see download Microsoft Edge Web View 2, and you can go here, and you see here. You can go to here, but I will back and go to first page. You will see why. Go to this page because you have solution, more solution, and as you see, you can see you can or depending on your operation system, you have Evergreen, Bootstrapper, and Bootstrapper. You can tiny. Just read this. Evergreen standalone and fixed version. I must or I will this standalone Evergreen standalone installer. And of your, like I said, if you ARM 64, your operation system 64-bit or 32, I'm on 32 and I'm just click download it. Of course that I accept and agree. Okay. Now it's close. Just a second. And now it's download. You'll see where is downloaded. I think that is yes. And just now just go to run as administrator. Where is download? Just click yes and just wait to start and we will see. I'm not sure 100 but I think that will work. Yes, it's work. It's a little. Just wait, and this is what we want. And we'll see that is what we want. Installing. That software. Microsoft Edge Web View to runtime. We need that. And I will leave you the site in the link below. Now close. Leave. And just restart your PC and you are done. Thanks for watching and bye.